How poverty affects mental health and what you can do about it. Insights and solutions. Poverty is a major issue that affects millions of people around the world, and it can have a significant impact on mental health and well-being. In this video, we will explore the link between poverty and mental health, examine the causes and consequences of poverty, and provide some coping strategies and solutions to help those who are struggling with poverty and its effects on mental health. Great to have you and welcome on the Solvee, the place where find the solution of the any problems. Number 1. Understanding the link between poverty and mental health. Discuss the complex relationship between poverty and mental health, including the causes and consequences of poverty on mental health. Explain that poverty can have a range of negative effects on mental health, such as increased stress, anxiety, and depression. Talk about how poverty can be caused by a lack of access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities, which can lead to feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, and isolation. Number 2. The impact of poverty on mental health. Discuss the various ways in which poverty can impact mental health, including stress, anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Explain that poverty can also lead to physical health problems, such as malnutrition and chronic illness, which can further exacerbate mental health issues. Share statistics and real-life examples to illustrate the impact of poverty on mental health. Number 3. The challenges faced by children and young people growing up in poverty. Discuss the developmental challenges faced by children and young people growing up in poverty, such as poor academic performance, social isolation, and behavioral problems. Explain that poverty can limit opportunities for children and young people to develop their skills and abilities, which can have long-term consequences for their mental health and well-being. Number 4. Strategies for coping with poverty and mental health issues. Offer various strategies for coping with poverty and mental health issues, such as seeking support from mental health professionals or community organizations. Discuss the importance of self-care practices, such as exercise, meditation, and spending time in nature, for maintaining mental well-being. Encourage viewers to develop a support network of friends and family members who can provide emotional support during difficult times. Number 5. Solutions for addressing poverty and improving mental health. Discuss potential solutions for addressing poverty and improving mental health, such as increasing access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. Talk about the importance of addressing systemic issues that contribute to poverty and mental health disparities, such as income inequality and discrimination. Encourage viewers to get involved in advocacy and community organizing efforts to support policies and programs that promote equity and social justice. Number 6. Accessing mental health services while living in poverty. Discuss the barriers that people living in poverty face when accessing mental health services, such as lack of insurance or transportation, stigma, and difficulty finding affordable care. Provide information about low-cost or free mental health services, such as community clinics or sliding-scale therapy options. Encourage viewers to reach out for help if they are struggling with mental health issues, and provide resources for finding affordable mental health services. Number 7. Breaking the stigma of mental health in low-income communities. Discuss the stigma surrounding mental health issues in low-income communities and how it can prevent people from seeking help. Provide information about mental health resources and support groups specifically designed for low-income communities. Encourage viewers to speak out about mental health issues and advocate for more support and resources for those who are struggling. Number 8. Addressing the root causes of poverty to improve mental health. Discuss the systemic issues that contribute to poverty and mental health disparities, such as racism, economic inequality, and lack of access to education and healthcare. Provide examples of policies and programs that could address these issues, such as affordable housing, universal healthcare, and education reform. Encourage viewers to get involved in advocacy efforts and support policies that promote equity and social justice. Number 9. Personal stories of overcoming poverty and mental health challenges. Share personal stories from people who have overcome poverty and mental health challenges, highlighting the resilience and strength of individuals who have faced these obstacles. Provide inspiration and encouragement for viewers who may be struggling with similar issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, poverty can have a significant impact on mental health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who you think may benefit from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on mental health and well-being. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences on poverty and mental health. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and work towards creating a more just and equitable world for all. Thank you for watching.